Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Bella from iYoowe, a dropshipping fulfillment platform. So it's been a while, but now the Chinese New Year has finally come to the end. People in China are officially back to work. Shipping carriers and manufacturers, everything is back to the routine. The beginning of a year is always full of positive visions and unknown possibilities. And that's why today we'll talk about the very old annual topic. Is dropshipping dead 2023? Is dropshipping still a profitable e-com model? Is the dropshipping market too saturated for beginners to enter? These kind of questions have been brought up on a yearly basis ever since 5 years ago or even earlier. More and more people are starting to question whether or not dropshipping will be around for much longer. Many people on YouTube try to prove that dropshipping is not dead by putting a screenshot of Google Trends. But in fact, the increasing searching number just shows that currently the interest in dropshipping is near its all-time high. Does not prove dropshipping this model is not dead and vice versa. But of course, if you ask me, is dropshipping dead 2023? The answer is no, not at all. Before I continue to explain why that dropshipping is still a lucrative and newbie-friendly e-com model, just in case some viewers don't know what dropshipping is, let me explain it briefly. If you are not new to this concept, please follow the timestamp to skip this part. Dropshipping is one of the many methods to fulfill the orders in your store. It allows you to sell products online without keeping them in stock. Once you get an order, you forward the order information to your dropshipping supplier, and they will ship the product directly to your customer. Doing business is just like peeling the onion. There could be so many layers of middlemen between you and the real source of the product that you want to sell. The closer you are to the core, the juicier your profit would be. And due to its unique feature, dropshipping fits this metaphor more than any other kind of business. The less onion skin between you and the factory, the more cost-effective your business would be. Which is also one of the major reasons why AliExpress dropshipping is not the most recommended method. Because many merchants who claim to be the factory on AliExpress are just, in fact, another type of dropshippers standing between you and the factory. Other than this, there are a couple of other reasons that make AliExpress dropshipping not suggested. We'll talk about them some other time. Now you may wonder, in this way, aren't platforms like City Dropshipping or ourselves also the middlemen? Yes, platforms like us are called suppliers or fulfillment providers. However, platforms like us do not produce the products displayed in our marketplace. Instead, we build a fair and direct bridge between dropshippers and authentic manufacturers. The existence of fulfillment platforms like us is necessary. For example, with AliExpress, it's hard to tell how many layers of business are standing between you and the manufacturer. But with a supplier like us, in addition to being the one and only middleman that helps dropshippers touch base with the authentic factory, we also provide many other services to ensure the quality of the products your customer receive and can help you build your own brand. Many well-known independent online shops or brands started by doing dropshipping to accumulate their initial capital, such as Wayfair, Gymshark, etc. So how exactly does a dropshipping fulfillment platform help you to build your own brand? First, make sure of the customer experience. When it comes to customer experience, there are 3 points to consider: product quality, shipping speed, and after-sales service. And the major reason to get a reliable agent or fulfillment platform is to make sure that the first 2 points are taken care of: quality and speed. Second, brand packing. To build a brand, there are 2 kinds of packing: soft one and hard one. Things like designing the logo, decorating your store, writing the product description, and investing in ads are all considered as soft packing. And hard packing are things such as using package with your logo and getting your brand name on products and so on. Fulfillment platform can help you with both. For soft packing, we platforms offer the photography service, with which you can get rid of using the same old images as your competitors, and thus leave a better brand image to your audience. And as for hard packing, if we classify the dropshipping products type using the dimension of label, there are 3 major types. white label product, labeled product, and POD product, short for print on demand. The most common dropshipping products are the white label ones because there's normally an MOQ for products to get labeled with your logo. However, with fulfillment platforms like iYoowe, you can still brand the white label products by using our custom service. Basically, custom packing is that we help dropshippers get personal packing materials with their own logo on it. For instance, zipper bags, boxes, and brand cards. These things don't cost much, but definitely can help your store standing out from your competitors. Dropship or not, the business model is always changing and evolving. Before there is an action, there is an idea, but without action, an idea is just an idea. So if you're still wondering whether dropshipping is too saturated, why not give it a shot instead of keep hesitating and feeling salty when you see others making money with it? Take the action today before it's too late for the party. I'll make a video introducing the best suppliers in China next time. If you're interested in this content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In here, we'll constantly share product ideas, dropshipping tips, and e-com news. Like the video if you do like it. Turn on the notification bell to stay tuned. See you next time.